Hello everyone, good morning. This is your maths class for today. Students, now we will continue your previous exercise. So let's start question number 3. The profit earned by a shopkeeper by selling a bucket at a gain of 8% is rupees 28 more than when he sell it at a loss of 8%. Find the cost price of the bucket. Okay, that means एक शॉपकीपर है जिसे प्रॉफिट हुआ है एक बकेट को सेल करके 8% का। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एंड स्टूडेंट्स वो 28 मोर देन है जब वो उसे सेल करता है 8% के लॉस पर। सो स्टूडेंट्स, आपको उस बकेट का कॉस्ट प्राइस बताना है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो स्टूडेंट्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ द बकेट। ओके, लेट द कॉस्ट प्राइस of the bucket. Okay students, so that is x. Is that clear? So students, when gain percent is given, so students here gain percent, that means that is 8%. Okay students, so can you find what is the SP here? Yes students, when gain percent is given, then SP is, yes, what is the SP? 100 plus gain percent into CP upon 100. Okay students, here 100 plus gain percent, that means 8, and into CP that means x, and upon 100. So student, that is the SP. So students, SP here, that is 108 upon 100 into x. Okay students, is that clear? Okay students, so students, when loss is here, that means उसे जब loss होता है 8% का, so student जब उसे loss होता है 8% का, so then what is the SP here? Yes students, so then the formula is here 100 minus loss percent into CP upon 100. Okay students, so students, we can put the value of this. So 100 minus loss, that means 8, into CP, that means x, upon 100. So that means that is 92 x upon 100. So student, that is the SP. Is that clear? Here, according to question, that means जो उसे gain हुआ था 8% का, वो किसके इक्वल होगा स्टूडेंट्स? 28 मोर देन जब उसे लॉस हुआ था। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो स्टूडेंट्स हियर 108 अपॉन 100 x is equal to 28 more than, that means 28 more than, that means plus, that is the this SP here. Okay students, is that clear? Okay, so students, we can find easily what is the value of x. Okay students, so here 108 upon 100x, and here minus 92x upon 100 is equal to 28. Okay students, so here 108 minus 92, yes students, that will be 16x upon 100 is equal to 28. So students, x is here 28 into 100 upon 16. Okay, so students, we can cut here 4 4s are 16, 4 7s are 20. Okay students, so x is here 700 upon 4, that means 4 1s are 4, so that means that is 30, 4 7s are 28, that is 20, so 4 5s are 20. Okay students, so that means CP is here 17.5, so that means rupees. Okay students, so that is your answer. Now the next question is question number 4. A shopkeeper bought a set of antique plates for rupees 3750 and spent rupees 250 so on its polishing. He then sold the set for rupees 4500. Find his loss or profit percentage. दैट मीन्स स्टूडेंट, एक शॉपकीपर ने एक एंटिक प्लेट्स का सेट खरीदा। ओके स्टूडेंट, दैट मीन्स परचेज किया कि 3750 रुपीज़ में। स्टूडेंट्स, उसने फिर उस पर स्पेंड किया, दैट मीन्स उसकी पॉलिशिंग कराई 250 रुपीज़ में। ओके, देन फिर उसने पॉलिशिंग कराने के बाद उस सेट को सेल किया, वो 4500 में सेल किया। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अब आपको बताना है उसे लॉस हुआ या प्रॉफिट एंड उसकी परसेंटेज। ओके स्टूडेंट, सो स्टूडेंट्स हियर कॉस्ट प्राइस इज, दैट मीन्स बॉट मीन्स उसने परचेज किया है, दैट मीन्स बाय किया है, सो दैट मीन्स हियर 50. Okay student, but what is the actual CP here? Yes, actual CP, that means 3750 का प्राइस था जिसमें उसने इसे परचेज किया, एंड उसने इस पे इतना स्पेंड भी तो किया है ना पॉलिशिंग में, सो दैट मीन्स वो भी इसके कॉस्ट प्राइस में ही ऐड हो गया. सो दैट मीन्स CP इज हेयर, yes, that is 0, 5, 5, 10, 7, 2, 9, that means 10, and that is 4. So students, here, so now cost price is here 4000 rupees. So students, now he then sold the set for rupees 4500. So students, अब इसने इसे sell किया है. So student, that means that is the SP. So SP is here 4500 rupees. Okay students, so can you tell me there is profit or loss? Yes students, here, yes, which one is greater? So students, here SP is greater than CP. So that means there is a profit. Okay student, that means यहाँ पर क्या होगा? Profit. So students, what is the formula of profit? That is SP minus CP. Okay, so SP is here 4500 minus CP is here 4000. Okay, so that means we have 500. So students, profit is here 500. Okay, okay students, so that is the profit. So students, now profit percentage is here. Yes, that is profit upon CP into 100. Okay students, profit percentage, that means profit is here 500, and CP is here 4000 into 100. So 20 cancel by this 20, and students, here 10 cancel by this 10. So that means profit percentage is here 50 upon 4. That means 12.5% is profit here. Okay, so that is your answer. Now the next question is question number 5. Ganesh sells 2 chairs for rupees 800 each. Okay, gains 20% on one and lose 20% on the other. Okay students, so find his gain or loss percentage in the entire transaction. That means जो गणेश है उसने 2 चेयर सेल किया है, कितने रुपीज़ में? 800 रुपीज़ में. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, उसे 1 चेयर पर गेन हुआ है 20% का, एंड 1 चेयर पर 20% का लॉस हुआ है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, अब आपको होल ट्रांजेक्शन में बताना है कि उसे गेन हुआ है या लॉस. इज दैट क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट, देयर आर 2 चेयर, yes, 1 chair and other chair. Okay students, so students, 1 chair, that means SP is here, yes, that is 800, and this is also 800. Okay, so students, here gain, that means 20%, and students, here loss, that is 20%. Okay students, so we can find easily what is the CP here. Okay student, because SP we have and gain also. Okay, so students, what is the CP here when gain percentage is given? Yes students, CP is here SP into 100 plus gain percent. Okay students, so that is SP is here 800 into 100, and students, 100 plus gain percent, that means 20%. Okay, so student, that is, okay, and that is 120. Okay, this 0 by this. Okay students, so we can calculate it. Yes, 12 6 is 72, so we have 80, and students, we again 12 6 is 72, so we have 80, and 12 6 is 72, so that means point here. So students, ऐसे ही ये आता जाएगा. Okay students, so that means 666.7. Okay students, so that is the CP of 1 chair. Okay, so students, here loss percentage is given, that means CP is here, students, SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. Okay students, so here, yes, SP, that means 800 into 100, and 100 minus loss percent, that means 20. So that means 80,000 and upon 80. Okay students, so that is here. So students, 8 ones are 8, and that means 30. Okay students, so CP of other chair. Okay students, okay, so students, here we can find gain or loss percentage. So first of all, we have total CP. So students, total CP is here 666.7 plus 1000. So students, here that is, okay students, and total SP is here. Yes, that is 800 plus 800, so that means 1600. Okay students, so now can you tell me there is profit or loss? Yes students, here CP is greater, so that means that is loss. Okay students, so that means here CP is greater than SP, so that means there is loss. Okay students, is that clear? So what is the loss here? So students, CP minus SP. So CP is here 166.6.7 minus SP is here 1600. So student, that is here. Okay students, now we have to find the loss percentage. Okay, so loss percentage is here, loss upon, yes, CP, that means total CP is here 166.7 into 100. Okay students, here students, that is 667 0 and 0. Okay students, is that clear? That means ये 2 0 है, so 2 साइड शिफ्ट हो जाएगा आपका पॉइंट्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो दैट इज हियर and that is 166.7. So after calculating we get, yes, 4.00 something. Okay, so student, that is percentage here. Okay student, so that is means 4% loss is there. Okay students, now the next question is question number 6. Ayan sold a watch to Vineet at a gain of 12% and Vineet sold it to Priya at a loss of 5%. If Priya paid rupees 1330 for it, so how much did Vineet pay for the watch? Students, that means Ayan ने एक वॉच को सेल किया विनीत को 12% के गेन पर. इज दैट क्लियर? एंड विनीत ने सेल की प्रिया को 5% के लॉस पर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इफ अगर प्रिया ने पे किया है 1330, सो स्टूडेंट्स आपको बताना है कि विनीत ने उसके लिए कितना पे किया होगा. Okay students, is that clear? Okay, so student, there are 3 members. One is Ayan, second one is Vineet, and third one is Priya. Okay students, Ayan ने वॉच को सेल किया विनीत को. Okay students, सेल किया, that means SP. Okay, and Ayan को जो गेन हुआ वो कितने परसेंट का हुआ? गेन, that will be 12%. Okay students, उसने विनीत को सेल किया, सो स्टूडेंट्स विनीत ने उसे परचेज किया होगा, दैट मीन्स उसका कॉस्ट प्राइस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इज दैट क्लियर? एंड स्टूडेंट, जब विनीत ने उसे सेल किया तो उसे 5% का लॉस हुआ. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लॉस हेयर 5%. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इफ प्रिया ने पे किया उसके लिए कितना, दैट मीन्स प्रिया ने पे किया, दैट मीन्स वो उसका सीपी होगा. कितना पे किया? 1330. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अगर प्रिया ने पे किया है, सो दैट मीन्स इसका सेलिंग प्राइस क्या होगा स्टूडेंट्स? यस, दैट मीन्स इसका सेलिंग प्राइस क्या होगा? 1330. दैट मीन्स अगर प्रिया ने उस वॉच को परचेज करने के लिए इतने रुपीस पे किए, दैट मीन्स विनीत ने उसे इतने रुपीस में सेल किया. इज दैट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? ओके, सो नाउ स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड द सीपी फॉर विनीत. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ओके, सो दैट मीन्स cost price for Vineet. Okay student, and what is the formula of CP where is loss percentage is given? Yes students, that is SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. Okay students, so we will put this value SP here 1330 into 100, and students 100 minus loss percentage, that means 5. Okay, so here 1330 into 100 upon 100 minus 5, that is 95. Okay students, we can calculate is 5 ones are 5 and 5 nines are 45. We again cut by 5 2s are 10, that will be 0. So student, that is okay. And students, after calculating we get 1400. Is that clear? You can check yourself. Okay students, now अब स्टूडेंट्स अयान ने सेल की थी विनीत को वॉच कितने परसेंट पर? यस, 12% गेन पर. दैट मीन्स नाउ Ayan sold a watch at a gain of 12%. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अब उसे 12% के गेन पर उसने सेल की. सो स्टूडेंट्स, अब यहाँ पर एसपी क्या होगा? दैट मीन्स विनीत ने, ये तो इसका कॉस्ट प्राइस है. अब अयान ने जब सेल की, दैट मीन्स सो हेयर एसपी इज यस 1400. हाउ? दैट मीन्स अगर ये इसका सीपी है, दैट मीन्स इसने इसे परचेज किया है, तो अयान ने इतने रुपीज में इसे सेल किया है. इज दैट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? Okay, and students, here gain is 12%. Okay students, so we can find easily what is the CP for Vineet. Okay students, अब यहाँ पर जो इसका cost price होगा वो क्या होगा? So students, here CP is yes SP into 100, that means 1400 into yes 100 upon 100 plus gain percent, that is 12. Okay, here that is CP is equal to 1440 are there students, 112. Okay students, is that clear? So students, after calculating this value, that will be 1250. Okay student, that means अब विनीत ने जो पे किया उस वॉच के लिए वो कितना है? 1250. Is that clear? So that means Vineet paid how much rupees? 1250 paid for the watch. Is that clear? Okay, so student, that is your answer. Okay, so students, now the next one is question number 7. A shopkeeper sold a shirt for rupees 828 at a loss of 8%. What will be the gain or loss if he will sell it for rupees 1200? Okay student, that means एक शॉपकीपर है जिसने एक शर्ट को सेल किया इतने रुपीज़ में. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, उसे इतना लॉस हुआ. सो स्टूडेंट्स, अब आपको बताना है कि उसे गेन और लॉस क्या होगा अगर वो उसे सेल करेगा 1200 में. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो दैट मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स एसपी इज हेयर, दैट मीन्स सेलिंग प्राइस है, सेल किया है, सो एसपी इज हेयर रुपीज़ 828. एंड स्टूडेंट्स लॉस इज हेयर, that is 8%. Okay students, so first of all we have to find the CP here. So students, what is the CP here when loss is given? So that means CP is here SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss percentage. Okay students, so here SP, that means 828 into 100. Okay, and 100 minus loss percent, that is 8. Okay, so now we have 828 into 100 and that is 92. Okay students, we can cut here by 4. So students, 4 to the 8 and 4 3 the 12. Okay, and that is 4 to the yes 8 and 4 7 the 28, and that is this 0. Okay students, now after calculating then we get to 900 rupees. Okay students, so that means CP is here 900 rupees. Okay students, so here's SP is here 1200. So students, first of all, can you tell me there is profit or loss? Yes students, where here SP is greater than CP, so that means profit is here. Okay students, so there is a profit. Okay students, okay, so that means profit, that will be SP minus CP. So that means SP is here 1200, CP is here 900, so that is 300. Okay students, so that is the profit. So students, what is the profit percentage? So student, that is profit upon CP. CP is here 900 and into 100. Okay students, so 20 cancel by this 20. So that means profit percentage here 300 upon 9. So that means 9 3 is 27, that is 30. 9 3 is 27, that is 30. So 9 3 is 27. Okay students, so that is the percentage of profit. Okay, so that is your answer. Now the next question is question number 8. Mona got 2 dresses for rupees 1648. She sold one at a profit of 15% and other at a loss of 9%. If she got the same amount for each dress, then find the cost price of each of the dresses. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दैट मीन्स मोना को 2 ड्रेस मिली है स्टूडेंट, जिसका प्राइस आपके पास गिवन है। उसने एक ड्रेस को सेल किया है 15% के प्रॉफिट से, उसने एक ड्रेस को सेल किया है 9% के लॉस से। ओके स्टूडेंट, सो स्टूडेंट्स उसे जो अब अमाउंट मिली है ड्रेस की वो सेम मिली है। सो स्टूडेंट्स अब आपको कॉस्ट प्राइस बताना है दोनों ड्रेसेस का। ओके स्टूडेंट, सो स्टूडेंट्स cost price of one dress. Okay student, there are 2 dress. Okay, so cost price of one dress, so that means X. Okay, can you tell me what is the CP of other dress? That means second dress. Yes student, that will be 1648 minus X. Okay students, understood? That means जो दोनों ड्रेसेस हैं वो 1648 रुपीज़ में है। सो दैट मीन्स हमने एक को एक्स सेलेक्ट किया, सो दैट मीन्स दूसरी क्या होगी, उसमें से हम एक्स माइनस कर दीजिए। ओके, सो दैट इज़ द CP हियर। ओके स्टूडेंट, सो जो वन ड्रेस है उस पर उसे प्रॉफिट हुआ है 15% का। ओके, सो वन ड्रेस एंड स्टूडेंट्स अदर ड्रेस। CP is here one dress, that is X, and this CP, that means 1648 minus X. Okay, so student, there is profit, that will be 15%, and student, there is loss, that is 9%. Okay, so students, here SP. So what is the SP here? So students, that is 100 plus gain percent, that means 15 into CP, that means X, and upon 100. So student, that is 115x upon 100. So student, that is the SP for one dress. Okay student, so here SP is, yes, 100 minus loss, that means 9, and student CP 1648 minus X, okay, upon 100. Okay, so student SP is here, that is 91 into 1648 minus X upon 100. Okay students, that is the SP for one dress and that is the SP for second dress. Okay student, that means other dress. And student, they all are equal. Okay students, ये equal है क्योंकि इसने बोला है कि जो भी उसे अमाउंट मिलता है वो equal है दोनों ड्रेसेस का। So students, 115x upon 100 is equal to this one. So students, हम इसकी मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, that means SP is here 91 into 1648 upon 100 minus 91x upon 100. Okay student, so we can write here 91 into 1648 upon 100 and minus 91x upon 100. Okay student, so student, this sum will be here, so that is 115x upon 100 plus 91x upon 100 is equal to 91 into 1648 upon 100. So student, that is here, what is the sum of this? So that is 206x upon 100, so is equal to 91 point into 1648 upon 100. So 100 cancel by this, so that means x is here 91 into 1648 upon 206. Okay, so after calculating here, x is 728. Okay students, so that means CP for one dress, that will be 728, that is one dress. Okay, and students, second dress is here, that means other dress will be, yes, 1648 minus 728, that means 920 here. Okay students, so that for second dress. Okay, so students, that is your answer. Okay students, so now that's all for today. And students, if you have any doubt in any questions, you can contact or message to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.